Stuff. Hello! Good morning! So finally, this is the day na bubuksan ko yung KitchenAid mixer na I got Black Friday of I think it's 2017. Yeah, 2017 Black Friday. I got myself a KitchenAid mixer. And then sabi ko before opening it, I promised myself I will only open it and start using it when I finally get a brand new stove. So last year, as you all know, I think it was October or November when my husband finally got me a brand new stove. So I have been delaying for as long as I can, and finally yesterday I saw like a friend posted her freshly baked pandesal, and I'm like, this is the best time that I should like get it out from its hiding place, which was the computer room, and finally open it, you know. So here we go. So after I open this one, I will start making my very first pandesal. So I'm super excited about that, and we'll also make a separate video for that one. So this is it. Today's the day. Let me. Oh my gosh, it's super heavy. So ta-da! This is it, my kitchen mixer. It's a 5-quart, 4.7 liters one, and it comes with a glass bowl.
No way.
Yes.
Glass.
So let's unbox it. I don't know why I am using this shear, but I am using it. So what's inside the box? Ta-da! Oh wow. Okay. Let me just take a copy. It's so dusty. Okay. So I chose red. As you can see, my color is red. So it includes mix, whisk, and a knead attachments. So I need the knead one to make my pandesal today. And if I wanted to add more stuff to it, I have this KitchenAid thingy, and hopefully I can like collect them all. Pokemon! Oh wow! Okay, so I guess I have to put this down again. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. So, oh my gosh, it's red. I'm wearing my red jammy, so yay. So let's see. Okay, so here's the manual. By the way, I have the K45 series. Bam. And since I got it like during a Black Friday sale, I got it. I forgot how much I got it, but I saved a lot of money, and I also earned some points for my Ebates. I think I earned $19.99 from it. And I got this one from Macy's. Okay, stop stalling. I just don't know how to do it. Oh my gosh. I think I need help. Yeah, I think I need help. I can't carry it. Babe, I think I need help. I can't. Can you carry it? Baby,
pick it up here?
Yeah.
I'll pick it up.
I don't know where to hold it. There's so, and I can't even get the. Yay! Okay. So there we go. Thank you.
There we go.
Okay. So let's get this one. Ooh. This is the one for kneading, the one that I need for my pandesal. The other attachment, the mixer. There should be one more. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Now, if only I can figure out how to get this off. Like, this is making my life so hard right now. I don't know how to do it. I have to break it. Break another part. I'm so sorry, but break more parts. There we go. Ta-da! So this one is for my product registration. I hope I'm not too late. Definitely will have to send this in. And the last attachment. What is this one for? A fancy. Oh, it's heavy. It's not plastic. So this is the, what do you call this one? Oh, this one is the mixer. Or this one is the mixer. Sorry about that. So I'm going to keep that one. Keep it here. And I know I need to mix and knead, so maybe I need to use them. Another paper. And look at my bowl. I chose it because of this. Yum. But I definitely need the metal one. You can like order it through their website or through Amazon, Walmart, or Target. Yeah. So this is what I get. My fancy heavy KitchenAid mixer. Let's make it face you. So you have that one. Bam. So you don't know it's new. And the setting. Oh my gosh. Seriously, this is so heavy. And oh my gosh, that one, setting. And then to put the bowl in or take the bowl out, bam, boom. And just put your bowl like so. You can like block it and then push this button here to put it back. So that's it. Easy peasy. Oh, let's attach. Say this one. If I wanted to mix, let's try to attach this one. So just follow that one. Place it like so, and then make it like that, and then turn. Boom! It's locked in, and it's ready to mix. See? Easy. Ta-da! I'm so excited. And again, I'll see you all soon. We'll be making pandesal. So, oh, by the way, before I finish the video, so after using and everything, oh my goodness. husband bought me this one. Amazon. So this is a brand. If you guys want to like have like a nice and not so overpriced cover for your KitchenAid mixer, this one is by Belmain, and you can get this one from Amazon. I chose the red to match my mixer, and boom. So what I liked about it, it has like zipper, so I can hide some of my attachments so they don't get misplaced. So there's like a zipper here, and it has a pocket where again I can hide all of the other attachments. So it's going to be like so, and say boom. And open the zipper like that. Open the zipper like this. And say I want to pack my attachment. I can either do that. So I want to put that, and also use the other pocket over here. So voila! Again, this one we bought it for $19.99 through Amazon. So grab your fancy KitchenAid mixer cover now. Thank you for watching, and watch out for my next video, pandesal. See you soon. Bye.